Hi everyone, welcome to Villbiz Properties. Today we are excited to present a beautiful 6 acres Lakefront Arecanut Plantation for sale near Alur, Hassan district. This well-maintained plantation comes with excellent connectivity and easy access. The property is located around 24 kilometers from Hassan city, approximately 11 kilometers from Alur town, and just 2 kilometers from the state highway. Out of the last 2 kilometer stretch, nearly 1.8 kilometers is good tar road, and only the last final 200 meters is motorable mud road, which you can already see in this video. One of the major highlights of this property is its beautiful lake frontage and abundant water availability. The plantation enjoys a strong water source through both the lake and a borewell. Even during peak summer, the owners are getting sufficient water supply because the borewell gets naturally recharged from the nearby lake. The entire plantation is developed with a well-planned pipeline irrigation system and spot jet irrigation setup, making irrigation extremely easy and efficient. It is almost a plug and play system that helps save both labor costs and valuable time. The property is fully fenced and gated, offering good security and privacy. The land has a very manageable and attractive shape, making it suitable for both agriculture and future development purpose. This is a 15 to 16 years old well established arecanut plantation with healthy yielding trees and rich fertile soil. The plantation is currently generating good agriculture income, making it an excellent investment opportunity for buyers looking for steady farm revenue and long-term appreciation. Apart from arecanut cultivation, this property is also highly suitable for farmhouses, dairy farming, weekend homes, and homestays or mixed plantations. Because of the fertile soil and shade conditions, buyer can also easily cultivate coffee, black pepper, coca, exotic fruits, and other shade-loving crops along with arecanut. Another major advantage of this property is excellent connectivity from Hassan, Sakleshpur, Belur, and Alur. Despite being surrounded by peaceful agricultural landscapes, the plantation is only around 30 minutes drive from Hassan city, making it ideal for both investment and lifestyle purpose. If you are looking for a productive plantation with lake frontage, strong water source, easy connectivity, and long-term value appreciation, this property is definitely worth considering. For more details, property visit and price information, contact Villbiz Properties. Our number displaying on your screen 9844 157 265 or visit www.villbiz.com for more property options. Please watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more premium plantation and agriculture property updates. Thank you for watching Villbiz Properties.